Greetings and beatings, good sir. We have dire need of material to repair a cooking mishap by my first mate, who has decided to take a nap somewhere between 2nd Street and 3rd.
I'll take your greetings, but you could keep the beatings. Sure, we can sell you some materials at a marked up price. I will have them delivered to your charge ship immediately.
Excellent, salty dog. Blabbers will see you paid handsomely. While I wait, scurvy knaves, let me read the next devotion. The children of Israel were finally broken to the point that they were willing to serve the Lord only. They had repented. But look, please, at the very next thing that happened. 1 Samuel 7:4. Then the children of Israel did put away Balaam and Ashtaroth, and serve the Lord only. And Samuel said, Gather all Israel to Mizpah, and I will pray for you unto the Lord. They gathered together to Mizpah, and drew water, and poured it out before the Lord, and fasted on that day, and said, There, we have sinned against the Lord. And Samuel judged the children of Israel in Mizpah. And when the Philistines heard that the children of Israel were gathered together to Mizpah, the Lord of the Philistines went up against Israel. And when the children of Israel heard it, they were afraid of the Philistines. They got right with God. And the very next thing that happened was that they were attacked and found themselves in a fight for their survival. People often assume that when they get saved or get right with God, things will get easier. But what they often get is the exact opposite. You see, when people finally enter into a right relationship with God, the devil becomes their immediate and very active enemy. But what that tells us is that if the devil is fighting us, we are actually on the right side for a change. Do pray for good days and peace. But when the hard days come as a result of being right with God, rejoice in the fact that having the right enemy means you are on the right side.
You are all set. That will be 200 gold doubloons.
Suit yourself. I will have Blabbers deliver these gold doubloons immediately. Have a salty day, scandalous sea dogs.